everyone, welcome to week 3. Don't forget that you really should read the announcement all the way to the bottom. In fact, if you would have read last week's all the way to the bottom, week 2 notes in the announcement, you would have seen an extra credit opportunity for 10 extra points, but not many people took advantage of that. So it would be a good idea if you would read down to the bottom of the announcement. So this week, we are in week 3, and we are lesson 5. And the lesson introduction will give you any information that you want to know for what's due in this lesson. Whoops, let's go into the lesson introduction. As you know, if you click on that, it will tell you what to do in this chapter, okay? In what we're going to be doing in this chapter, I guess we'll go back to content here, sorry, a little slow. We are doing a chapter 9 quiz, a chapter 13 quiz. You're going to submit your 4-year plan, and you're going to do a discussion board with career choice and education. So, submitting your 4-year plan. Let's talk about that because that's going to be the one that you have the most questions about. You should read through all the instructions so that you do a good job on this. It is worth a few points. So, write in your 4-year plan, after you read everything about the 4-year plan, this is very important. If you are a freshman or sophomore, plan out your entire program of study, including every class for each semester to the end of your degree. So type them up. I have some people do very nice 4-year plans. I have some people do not so nice 4-year plans. Write down the ways you plan to explore your career options, like meeting with professionals in their potential field, looking for extracurricular activities, or volunteering in the summer. If you're a junior or senior, turn in a detailed calendaring of your remaining classes, then outline your career plans. Okay, so remember, this is 4-year plan. Any internships, research, organizations, your GRE timeline. Okay, so the instructions are very clear of how to do a 4-year plan. Get that turned in. And then you'll do the discussion board. And there are instructions in the announcement on how to do the discussion board. You're going to work together on this one. It's similar to the first one. So be sure to read the instructions on your career choice and education discussion board. There's also an activity quiz that goes along with reading these articles. So once you read the articles, you can start the activity quiz. Okay. So then we move on to lesson 6, which is the second part of the week. And we have a chapter 5 quiz due, continuation of the career choice and education discussion board with responses, your week 3 self-assessment, and then your mid-course feedback. Okay, so that's what's due this week. Please check the announcements for due dates, okay, so you'll know what's going on. All right, have a great week.